Hello, it is now winter break and I went to my grandparents' house, and during that time my cousins came over, so I decided to make chocolate chip cookies with one of my cousins. Now these chocolate chip cookies turned out perfect. They were chewy in the middle and crisp on the edges. So let's get right into how to make them and get on with the ingredients.
Okay, so this is the chocolate chip, butter, and flour, and brown sugar, and 1 egg yolk, and 1 egg, and sugar, and then I kind of forget what that was.
That's salt and baking soda.
Yep. And this one was, I think, was cornstarch.
Yes.
Right? And then this is vanilla extract.
Yes.
Alright, so the first step is to melt the butter in the microwave and leave it out for about 5 minutes. And then go ahead and sift the flour, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. That is my brother. Now in another bowl, whisk together the melted butter, the brown sugar, and the white sugar. And make sure to whisk thoroughly until the mixture is not that liquidy and grainy, but it's more creamy. Then add the egg and the egg yolk and continue whisking until it is creamy again. And now it's time to add the vanilla extract and mix that in as well. Now add the flour 1/3 at a time and mix it in with a spatula or a whisk. And if you're wondering why we have nuts there, it's because we made the recipe twice actually, except on the second time we used walnuts instead of chocolate chips. So on this one, since I'm doing a chocolate chip cookie video, fold in the chocolate chips. And after a while you'll see that it's hard to fold it with a spatula, so you can go ahead and go in with your hands and knead the dough. That is Jisoo's little hand. Next, scoop out the dough and roll them into balls and place them onto pans lined with parchment paper. My grandma decided to help us at this stage. Now bake these cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. And once the cookies are done, make sure to use oven mittens instead of trying to take the pan out with one hand and a dish towel. And yay, the cookies are done!
Okay, so it tastes like chocolate and cookies dipped in milk.
이런 게
So
맛있어.
dipping in milk is the best
약간
chocolate.
소금이
You have to
맛있겠네.
do this to a milk cookie.
야, 톡톡한 게 뭐냐?
The next morning we ate more chocolate chip cookies, and I'm very excited about this particular recipe because it made perfect chocolate chip cookies that were chewy and crispy. Thank you Jisoo and Yoonsoo, her brother, and also my brother for helping me make these cookies, film the video, and also eat those cookies. And yeah, thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe.